XRP was ranked 8th in the crypto rankings with a market capitalization of just over $38 billion. But will it reach the target of $5.5 this month? Stay tuned as we go through a thorough analysis of it. But first, we are giving away $25 at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome, XRP Army! Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. No, the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. In the 7-day chart, a head and shoulders pattern remains visible, signaling an impending rise to the $5.50 price margin. On June 11th, XRP appeared to be prepared to enter a more major rally than the last one, with a range of 600 to 1,000 points to the upside, implying new all-time highs. Experts believe that we will enter the demand zone in the near future. This assumption can be traced all the way back to the November 24th high of around 77 cents. Around the legal ambiguity area, it falls to its lowest level since January. It appears that there will be another test shortly after we dismantle the flag here. There's a cloud resistance forming down there, so a return to the 80-cent range, which is exactly where XRP is right now, and a little bit deeper on the 4-hour charts, is practically a foregone conclusion at this point. We still have a hard time believing that prices will fall below that level. We believe that support will come in at that point, and then we'll see a bottom. The 200-day simple moving average is represented by the pink section. If you name this a bear flag and you lower the distance to say 40 to 45 cents, that seems a little extreme. But as we can see, we have the development here, which is consistent rather than volume at this point, and that's what made the rebound a corrective one. When we don't have enough books, we're talking about a corrective balance that warns us that more weakness is likely to come our way. Bitcoin had a gloomy day 2 days ago, dipping as low as 31,000, which is never a good sign, especially when a downturn's forming. For traders who want to go right in, the 29th and 30th lows are critical, as they might essentially test this area with a pilot buy at 80 cents. We can see a probable ascending triangle already on the breakout on the 4-hour chart. However, because of the relative strength index, we may make a time frame and set a target of around 30%. We've got the break right there. It was retesting those lower lows, which is always a pleasure to behold. Following that, we had a potential 33% drop from that vital level, bringing us down to 64 or so. We're confident that Ripple XRP will retest current lows, if not strike a new low lower than 65 cents. Aside from that, we perceive the whales, those XRP holders with 1 to 10 million coins, from a long-term viewpoint. They appear to be on board with the decline. So let's speak about some views and opinions on what we've been hearing for a long time now. Based on all signals from my XRP research, we've been watching this level around 77 cents, which was the top of these two resistances. This is a resistance level that we've been watching for quite some time. We have one of these up here for roughly $1.18 and another for roughly 92.5 cents. Essentially, these are the three levels. This was the first obstacle we'd broken through, and once we did, it laid the stage for the parabolic swings we anticipate to see in the future, which could take us to over 600% gains to the upside. So, we were watching the two resistance levels we'd set for ourselves, and the price was obviously up, as it was just starting to retrace at the moment. If the bulls were enthusiastic about this, we would hold support above that resistance level, based on the last resistance pattern we saw. If we're going to have a protracted correction, we'll have to target 92.5 cents, which is very much what we've done so far. We dropped or were unable to maintain support above this level. However, we did for a brief time. We fell a little, got back up, fell again, touched the support line, and got back up for the umpteenth time. We were unable to close the gap above it. Back then, there was far too much sell-side pressure. As a result of Bitcoin's correction, XRP ended up falling even worse. Then we went down to the second area, which was at 92.5%. So far, we've been able to quickly recover from that, with some outstanding purchases returning to the market. This asset is going to be a slow but steady climb. However, we believe that these XRP holds are one of the main causes for the market's breakout just a few days ago, just a few days after the much anticipated June 10th date. It wasn't long ago that we saw the upside bounce that preceded the present decline. There is, however, sufficient time for anyone interested in investing in this unique digital asset. Following a significant bounce, experts predict that the price of XRP will touch $5.50. What we're seeing in the markets right now is typical of the ups and downs of panic and all of that. Because of tax season, although the sell-off could also indicate that people were paying taxes in general, so cutting a small portion of the profit off the top. In the short run, XRP could be worth 50 times or more than Bitcoin. Following the bear flag sell signal on June 3rd, the price of XRP has trended down, although without the impulsiveness that's sometimes associated with such patterns. It doesn't rule out the possibility that the signal was false, but it does represent the clear support provided by the neckline of a multi-year inverted head and shoulders pattern that was generated in April. For the time being, the International Settlements token looks to be stuck in the range of 76 cents and $1. Ripple has defended a significant price range, framed by the November 2020 high at 78 cents and the neckline of a multi-year inverse head and shoulders pattern at $0.76 since the May 23rd low at the 200-day simple moving average SMA. The neckline spans from the September 2018 high of $0.791 to the November 2020 high of $0.78. On April 5th, an extraordinary one-day increase of 44% initiated the XRP price pattern. Since then, the neckline, together with the November 2020 high, has provided strong resistance to short-term falls. On the plus side, since May 23rd, the price range between the psychologically crucial $1 and the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the April-May fall at $1.145 has restrained the rebounding, establishing a useful and actionable trading range for Ripple swing traders. XRP price bounces may be restricted due to the fresh death cross signal on the 12-hour chart, as well as a scary resistance represented by the confluence of the 212-hour moving average at $1.013, with the structurally crucial $1. The sideways price movement could simply be a corrective procedure before the drop resumes, in the context of the more conspicuous bear flag pattern. A daily closing below $0.76, however, should prompt a rethinking of the neutral perspective in favor of a more bearish one that includes a sweep of the May 23rd low of $0.652. The bear flag pattern's measured movement, as defined by the percentage length of the flagpole, is roughly 55%, making $0.422 the target. Thus, at $0.422, the price of XRP will have dropped about 80% from its April high of $1.96, effectively cancelling the bold predictions of a test of the all-time high of $3.30 in 2021. Before engaging in a positive perspective, the XRP price would need to start with a daily close above $1 and the 212-hour SMA at $1.013. A daily close above the 38.2% retracement at $1.145 would affirm a positive view. It would be a 35% increase over the present price, but investors should wait for entries near definite support. XRP price movements, like most altcoins, rewarded short-term speculators, but it hasn't clarified Ripple's prognosis. As a result, investors will need to see either the support or resistance levels indicated earlier in this piece break in order to gain a clear understanding of the digital asset's intentions. Until then, trading the ranges with one eye on the wider picture, which currently includes a triggered bear flag pattern and a death cross on the 12-hour chart, is a viable option. We feel that this is the biggest alt season the cryptosphere has ever seen. Do you invest in XRP? Let us know! If you want to continue to know about XRP, we've got 2 more videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, my friend.